This is Michael Veazey, and welcome to Amazon Newsday. Amazon delivery drone noise has been annoying to residents in Texas. Residents of College Station, Texas, are troubled by noise pollution from Amazon's delivery drones, a concern as Amazon seeks to expand its Prime Air program. Amazon has asked the Federal Aviation Administration, the FAA, to increase drone flights from 200 a day to 469 per day, which has raised concerns amongst residents living near the drone facility. The buzzing noise from drones is a significant issue, potentially leading to stricter regulations or bans that could hinder Amazon's expansion plans. Amazon began drone deliveries in 2022 in College Station and in Lockford, California, and it aims to improve community relations by possibly relocating drones and their ports away from residential areas. The city of College Station is collaborating with Amazon to find industrial zone locations for drone operations, and Amazon is developing a quieter drone model, the MK30, to reduce the noise. Despite the noise concerns, the drone delivery program has been successful with no reported crashes or injuries and is seen as innovative and efficient by local officials. Drone delivery is still in its early stages and is facing regulatory, technical, and public acceptance challenges, but it holds potential for future growth as a supplement to traditional methods.